Known as a revered adaptogen, native to North America, American ginseng has been used for centuries by indigenous peoples to boost energy, reduce stress, and support overall wellness. Today, we explore 10 powerful ways this root can enhance your health, saving the most impactful tip for last. Tip 1. Combat fatigue and boost energy. Do you often feel drained or exhausted, struggling to keep up with daily tasks? Chronic fatigue can stem from adrenal stress and low-energy metabolism. Unlike caffeine's quick jolt, American ginseng provides sustained energy by supporting adrenal gland function and balancing stress hormones. To use, prepare a decoction by simmering 1 to 2 teaspoons of dried ginseng root in 12 ounces of water for 10 to 15 minutes. Drink 4 ounces of this tea up to 3 times daily to naturally restore vitality and reduce tiredness. Tip 2. Enhance mental clarity and focus. When your mind feels foggy or distracted, it may be due to stress or age-related cognitive decline. American ginseng contains ginsenosides that improve blood flow to the brain and protect neurons, boosting memory and concentration. To benefit, take standardized ginseng supplements as directed, or brew a tea by steeping dried root for 10 minutes. Sip this tea during work or study sessions to sharpen your mental performance. Tip 3. Strengthen immune defenses. Frequent colds or infections signal a weakened immune system. American ginseng acts as an immune modulator by activating white blood cells and reducing inflammation, helping your body fight pathogens more effectively. To support immunity, drink ginseng tea regularly during cold and flu season, or take capsules standardized to contain ginsenosides. This can reduce the severity and duration of infections. Tip 4. Chill out and find your inner peace. High stress levels trigger excess cortisol, leading to anxiety and exhaustion. As an adaptogen, American ginseng helps regulate cortisol production, promoting emotional balance and resilience. Prepare a calming tea by steeping ginseng root with chamomile or lemon balm for a soothing blend. Sip this tea daily to ease tension and improve mood naturally. Tip 5. Regulate blood sugar levels. If you struggle with blood sugar spikes or insulin resistance, American ginseng may help by improving insulin sensitivity and stabilizing glucose metabolism. Studies show it can reduce post-meal blood sugar surges. To use, take ginseng supplements before meals or drink a tea made from the root. Always consult your healthcare provider if you have diabetes before starting any herbal regimen. Tip 6. Support cardiovascular health. Inflammation and oxidative stress contribute to heart disease risk. American ginseng's antioxidant properties help lower blood pressure, reduce cholesterol, and prevent arterial plaque buildup. To harness these benefits, drink ginseng tea regularly, or include ginseng extract in your daily supplement routine to support a healthy heart. Tip 7. Aid digestive health. Digestive discomfort such as bloating or poor nutrient absorption may be eased by American ginseng's bitter compounds, which stimulate digestive juices and improve gut function. Chew a small piece of fresh root or drink ginseng tea before meals to enhance digestion and nutrient uptake. Tip 8. Alleviate cancer-related fatigue. Cancer treatments often cause debilitating fatigue. Clinical studies show that high doses of American ginseng can reduce this fatigue and improve quality of life. For this purpose, standardized ginseng capsules are preferred, but always consult your oncologist before use. Tip 9. Enhance physical endurance. Athletes and active individuals may benefit from American ginseng's ability to increase stamina and reduce recovery time. Drinking ginseng tea or taking supplements before exercise can improve endurance and reduce muscle soreness. Tip 10. The ultimate adaptogenic tonic. And here's the best tip. Create a daily tonic by combining American ginseng with other herbs, like ashwagandha and holy basil. Simmer 1 teaspoon each of dried roots and herbs in water for 15 minutes. Strain, and add honey to taste. Drink this tonic each morning to build resilience against stress, boost energy, and support overall well-being. American ginseng is a versatile root that supports mind, body, and spirit. Which tip will you try first? In the next video, we'll explore a pungent bulb famous for fighting infections and improving heart health. Don't miss it.